scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Protein X changes location when a signal arrives, and we need to identify its function quickly. Let's analyze the diagram to find the correct answer right now. The diagram shows protein X moving from the cytoplasm into the nucleus after the signaling molecule is added. This shift is a huge clue about how the specific protein actually functions. Transcription factors are proteins that enter the nucleus to bind with DNA and activate gene expression. Since protein X activates genes inside the nucleus, this role fits the data perfectly well. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and trust the given data to see the proteins entering the nucleus.